How to find the SWIFT code for Busan Bank, South Korea. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through steps on how you can find the SWIFT code for Busan Bank of South Korea. Well, be it that you wish to get the SWIFT code for Busan Bank of South Korea or also any other banks around any corner of the world, I'll be guiding you through the quick steps to get the SWIFT code for any bank. Simply head over to your web browser, and on your web browser what you can do is you can search in for SWIFT code finder. Then you can head into any one of these SWIFT code finder pages. I'm heading into the top one, that is bank.codes/SWIFT code. Here on any given SWIFT code finder page, you'll get search for SWIFT code section. There you want to first select the bank. Select the country first, that is South Korea here in this case, then select the bank as well, Busan Bank, then select the city that the bank or the branch is located in that you wish to get the SWIFT code for. Remember, different branches might have different SWIFT codes, so then you want to select the SWIFT code down below. So this is how you can easily get the SWIFT code, not only for Busan Bank of South Korea, but also in other banks as well. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below as well.